Hi friends. Today I received a battery from a DeWalt screwdriver. According to the owner, it won't charge or work. I checked it and there's no voltage coming out of the battery. In this video, I'll be assembling the new battery. There's no voltage at the battery terminals. We have 5 batteries here. I can see that water has gotten in here. Before disassembling, you need to remember the location of the batteries and wires. You also need to remember how the plates are welded in order to do the same. Let me show you the other side too. Now we need to disassemble the battery and order the batteries. ProConnect batteries, 2000 mAh, 18,650 batteries. Let's assemble a new battery. Done. Now you need to take the welding machine and weld the batteries. Done. Now the plates are welded and there's good contact. Let's assemble the housing. Done. Let's test it. As you can see, the battery is charging at approximately 800 milliamps. I'll charge it to full and that's it. Ready to give it away. I hope the video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, and see you in future videos.